In this video, I'll show you how to install Joyn application on your Android TV. Like and subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful. So if you have an Android TV and you want to install the Joyn application, here's what to do. First thing first is to come out to the application called Downloader, which is an intermediate application that I use to search for any apps to install my Android TV without Google Play Store. So once I come over here, I launch the application, and here's how it looks like. You don't have to download on your Android TV. Check the description of this video. There's a link there that's going to help you to create the application on your Android TV. Once you're here, you can type a keyword like join application for Android TV. So instead of just typing join application, you can type join application for Android TV. Alright, so once you type in the right keyword, just go ahead and click on search. On your search, download is going to show you a result page like this. And once you're here, you're just going to try all the applications that are given to you and see which one is going to work. So you can try all of them. So for instance, we're just going to work with this. You can scroll to the bottom to see other options. So as you click here, here's what is going to happen. As you can see, here's the Google version. And if this application is compatible with your smart TV, you are going to see the install button. But if it's not, you are not going to see the install button and you cannot install the application to that particular smart TV. What you can do is to change the smart TV or look for the APK of the application. So if you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this.